Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
If you're new here, please subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications if you're interested in beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos. In today's vlog, we're gonna be going to Walmart. I need to go to Sephora. I do have an Amazon package coming and I wanna show you guys because I'm gonna be cutting my boyfriend's hair. Yes, like with the, what you call it, with the clippers. That is a few of many things that we'll need to do today and I will be bringing you guys along. So let's further ado. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, thanks and I'll see you later.
Got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark.
You're a boxer.
Flew your ass to the moon, buddy.
Oh,
Hey man, just got them chips out.
bro. Why y'all like this?
What's wrong?
What you got?
Chipotle kicker? Alright.
Dead.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Hello.
What do you cheese? It's your boy. Grocery shopping.
Look how big this thing is. This should not be this full.
Wait.
Really?
Yeah,
I'm gonna be trying these in a video of weird snacks from Walmart. It's spicy cinnamon toast crunch. Literally, I got the one with no aluminum. My boyfriend got it for me, right? It does not work. Let's just say that. And my armpits usually do not smell bad at all. That shit did not work. So I got the regular one with the aluminum. Give me all the aluminum. I don't care at this point. Look! Get out the way. It is, hold on, professional. I might have to turn the ring light off. Oh. Hair clippers, and they're LED hair clipper and trimmer. Plus it comes with the cape. And guess what I'm about to do with this today? I'm about to cut my boyfriend's hair. And you guys can see it. Y'all tell me if I be fucking him up or not. Because sometimes he be putting his hat on. I'm like, oh, did I mess you up? Only one time I did it really, really good. No, 3 times. Twice here, once at my other house. And he was like, babe, I be doing him good. I be doing him real good. And you could, so you have to charge it because it's wireless, finally. Like, we have clippers here, but they're not wireless, and I don't like that. Oh, I was like bald headed. It says bald head clipper. I can't even see it, but. So, let's open it and see what they give us. Because on the picture it said the cape, and I don't see nothing on the box. Okay. I think this is the cape that you put on when you're at the barber shop. Ooh, I'm really a profesh. Ooh, it's cute. Say not. Come on. Say, come on, focus on it. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. You're cute. Look at that. That is so cute.
All these big seats.
Okay guys, here's my client for the day. Are you ready for your treatment? Okay. Please don't what?
Please don't fuck me up.
Yeah, I don't know you like that to be making favors.
Oh.
Yeah, so you get what you get. You done what you done. Sorry for bumping your head. That's my first time.
Your first time what?
You know, barbering, room for room. You know, nothing out there unusual.
Please, man. I just don't.
Okay, let's start with taking our comb and our pig. I'm gonna be you good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you got some naps in here. Ooh.
So, come on, man. You don't gotta.
Nope, I got to.
You don't gotta do me like that.
I got to. All right, man. So what do I start with?
I thought you was the barber.
Oh, nah. So this one?
Yeah. Yeah. You the barber, man. So this goes straight down and this curve.
From all the way down here, I go like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. All right, look at us. No, don't be too scared. Ooh.
Many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your door.
All right, 11,000.
See, okay. See what you did there. I see what you did there.
Do you see a little bit?
Yeah.
I'm not done yet.
I know.
You know, I just show you.
I
It's
see
just a-
it.
It's just a rough cut.
Hey,
It's a rough cut.
I see it, my boy.
You don't see that.
I see it, my
You're a
boy.
liar.
I see it.
But I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home.
Yeah. Thanks for being my client. Hope you're paying.
Hey,
Yes.
what you mean?
We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.